Good evening, students. This is Chunarkar sir here. Today, I am going to explain you semester 3rd syllabus for English subject. Before I start, I welcome you for the virtual online class. Okay? Are you ready? If you are, let's start today's class. As you know, syllabus for English subject consists of theory paper and second is internal assessment, that is practical exams. Your theory paper consists of 60 marks and internal assessment consists of 40 marks. Students, minimum 21 marks require to pass theory paper out of 60. You have to write university paper to pass theory examination. Next, internal assessment 40 marks are college performance based. You are not gonna attend paper, but your day-to-day activities and performance in academic as well as extracurriculum activities are considerable. Okay, so 60 plus 40, total 100 marks. This is your 100 mark paper or syllabus of your English subject. Now let's see what it contains. Okay? See. Part 1 theory paper has 6 units in total. So let's take a detail of it. Unit 1, prose. Prose means text. You are provided with a textbook named Magic of Master. As you had Blessing of Modern English in your first year syllabus, for the second year, third say, it is what? Okay, Magic of Masters. Got it? Okay. There are 5 lessons to study in your prose. Lesson number 1, the golden touch. Lesson number 2, the rule of road. Lesson number 3, the coming of Gandhi. Lesson number 4, how free is press. And lesson number 5, tight corner. There are 5 lessons to study for your prose, that is text from the textbook Magic of Master. You get 15 marks out of 60 on your prose study. Got it? Okay. Can I show you next? Okay. Second, it is poetry section. It has 5 marks. Same textbook, poems numbered 16, 17 and 19. There are 3 poems. First is on his blindness, second is Loshinvar, and the third is on first looking into Chapman's Homer. There are 3 poems to read and understand in poetry. Poetry section is asked for 5 marks. Okay, can I change the slide? Okay. Next is unit 2 vocabulary section. As I know you are most familiar with this vocabulary section because in your first year contents are same. The first is synonyms. Students, can you tell me what is synonyms? Yes, a similar word. You have to find or write the similar words of given word. The second is antonyms. Students, tell me what is antonyms? It is a opposite word. You have to find opposite meaning of the word. And the third is one word substitute. I know my students know what is one word substitute. Tell me what is it? It is a single word for group of words. That is your vocabulary section, and it is asked for 5 marks in your examination. Next is unit 3 grammar. It is very important because there are 10 marks to be taken on grammar section. There are only 3 contents in your grammar section. First is tense, second is change the voice, and the third is direct indirect speech. Okay, so we talk about tense. Do you know how many tenses are in English? Yes, there are 3 tenses. What are they? Present, past, and future. What about voice? There are active voice and passive voice. Okay, so we will study it in our class. Okay, now next. Unit 4 story writing. As you had essay writing in your last year, this year instead of essay writing, story writing. You know there are 10 marks to write or develop a story. So as there is good weightage for writing story, so this is very important topic to go through. Let's see, in story writing there are some hints or spelt lines are provided to fill in the blank. It is fill in the blank type paragraph, but students, don't fill a single word in the blank because these are some important points or details to write. So understand the story and then make a paragraph of it. Next is precise writing. Do you know what is precise writing? Precise writing means summary writing. you have to write one third of the given passage. And friends, an unseen passage is given to write precise. This is asked you for 5 marks. And finally, a unit 6, there are a passage from prescribed text and one passage that is in a stanza from poetry section. These two passages are given and asked to write down the answers. So it is very easy because you are familiar with the passages. So I hope you can answer the question very easily. That is in your theory. There are, can you tell me how many units are there? There are 6 units to go through. Okay, got it? Next, now second is your internal assessment. There are 40 marks. So as I told you, these 40 marks are college performance based. So your activities, your academic performance as well as extra curriculum activities are considerable. So dear student, you must be very sincere, punctual, and see, your attendance is very important, as well as assignment means projects. College or your teacher will provide you some projects or assignment and you have to give it and give them on right time. Okay, the second topic is group discussion. This is one of the important topic for those who are aspiring for MPSC and UPSC examination. So group discussion and interview techniques both are very important and has same weightage. Third is dictation of a passage. It helps you to read correctly and smoothly. Fourth is awareness of syllabi and stress. This is a language part. As we learn English, we must know how to pronounce it, where to give stress and where to raise your sound. It is very important when you speak English as a foreign language. Okay, and last topic is spellings. I know many students have difficulty about writing correct spelling. There are many tools and many techniques to correct or rectify spelling. So I will take a class on spelling writing and I explain you. Okay, so I hope you can correct your spelling. These are the 40 marks college best. So your performance in college is very important. Okay, this is your internal assessment. And see, last, there are 2 books recommended. First is, this is your textbook Magic of Master. So I will send it to you, your text copy, on your WhatsApp group. And the second is Precise Writing by Alexander. You can buy this book online, otherwise you can issue it from library. We have copies of Precise Writing by Alexander, so you can write well summary or precise, a short paragraph by this. So this is totally your 100 mark paper, including theory and practical, and these are the books. So I hope you understand your syllabus. Are you? Tell me. Okay, so from tomorrow we will start unit first. I will start it with grammar. Okay, so I have sent PDF for your unit 1, and from tomorrow I'll take your first unit. Till then, stay home, stay safe, goodbye. Thank you.